Good morning, Emerald. It's Miss Bushnell here. Welcome to the first day of the official lockdown. It's day 2 of the tasks that we've set for you. I must admit I haven't done my J Wicks yet. I'm about to do it now as soon as my breakfast has gone down. So hopefully you all got up ready to rumble at 9 o'clock. So day 2. Today we're doing maths spring themed activity booklets pages 4 and 5, which I'll go through in a minute. But it's science today, living things in their habitats. So as well as your 20 minutes on Times Tables Rockstars, 10 minutes on spelling and 20 minutes on read theory, and also your designated hour of fun time, you're going to do some science today. So go and have a look at what we're doing. You're going to probably need a bit of Google here to help you to choose a habitat from one of these here. All quite interesting. We've mentioned the Galapagos Islands before because of its unique habitats and animals that live there. So you're going to research one of these places. You're going to list plants and animals that live there. I don't think this is a definitive space, so you may need to create more. Then I want you to classify them. Are they mammals, amphibians, birds, reptiles, etc.? Again, Google might help you with this, but if you can do it from your own brains, that would be even better. The next task is this activity jigsaw. My favourite part of it here is mentioning something about cheese, wine and bread. So obviously there's something there that's of interest to me. Have a little look and see if you can classify the animals and match them as a jigsaw. There are 2 pages to this. See how you go. Again, Google might help. Maths wise, we're doing pages 4 and 5. So here's the activity booklet. Please don't cheat and look at the answers first. So 4 and 5, you should have done this yesterday. 2 and 3. So we're a bit of colouring today, can't go wrong, but it's my favourite. It's algebra. So you've obviously got to work out the algebraic equation to match it up to the correct colour, which is the key is at the bottom of the screen here. And then we're doing multiplication code breakers, which again you're great at. Work out what the pictures and symbols represent. Find a number. The number will be matched up to the key at the top here. And hopefully you'll be able to work out the answers. Again, lots of times table practice, lots of spellings. The lists are in the folder. Good luck!